If you like stir fry, but you want it to be super healthy and super simple so you're not at the stove for a long time, try the super simple baked stir fry. So you can start with stir fry veggies. These are just straight from Walmart. People who are the oldest, healthiest people in the world don't do anything fancy. They just eat the food that God gave them. Whoops, throw that all over. You can also spray the pan or lightly oil it so stuff doesn't stick. But we're also going to be using some teriyaki sauce that'll help make sure stuff doesn't stick and add some great flavor. So we'll get this in there that I just threw all these veggies over the counter because that's life, stuff happens. So we'll spread this, spread it out a bit. You can use 1 or 2 bags, whatever fills the pan. Again, when you're trying to lose weight, most of what you should eat, half of what you eat, should be vegetables. There's nothing fancy. It's the healthiest, best thing for weight loss and to help you live a long, healthy life. So spread those out. Next, we get some chickpeas. It can be canned, whatever. Just drain them, rinse them, and sprinkle them on. Despite what health and fitness media might say, beans are one of the healthiest things you can eat. Chickpeas, beans, lentils, however you can get them. There's actually research showing that having about a cup of beans or lentils a day to what you already eat, adding that to what you already eat, gets you the same weight loss as being in a 500 calorie a day deficit, like tracking your calories. The cool thing with eating food this healthy is that you'll lose weight, get healthier, have more energy, and you don't need to track calories. So next up, we got a bunch of fiber, we got a bunch of vitamins and minerals and tasty, nice, crisp veggies and chickpeas. We have a little bit of protein with the chickpeas and nice, slow digesting carbs that help control our appetite so we can lose weight. They also help reduce cholesterol. Lots of good fiber in there. But then we also have some tofu. If you are a lazy chef like me, this is pre-pressed tofu. So just take a sharp knife, cut it out, drain it a little bit, but this ends up much more firm and nice than trying to have pressed tofu, like press it yourself. It's a lot less work. You can either cube it up. I'm lazy, so I'm just going to crumble it like so. It's a little more fun. You get some sensory input squishing it. And then it ends up more like, like meat crumbles. And don't worry, this will be well seasoned with our teriyaki sauce and even some optional hot honey. So get that all in there. Get some good extra protein. Help support those muscles without the disease that animal proteins gives you. Next up, we'll add our flavor. Very important. We're losing weight. We're trying to be healthy, but God gave us taste buds. Come on. So we'll add our teriyaki sauce. You can get lower sodium options, but if a little bit of salt and a little bit of flavor in a sauce is making you eat mostly whole plants and vegetables, it's a win. So make sure you get a lot on there, get a lot of good flavor. So also help it not stick in the pan. Make sure you get all that tofu, because tofu tastes like whatever you put on it. So make sure you get some good flavor in there. Okay, so there's a lot of teriyaki sauce. Next, you can grab a spoon and we'll try to carefully mix this together so that all those flavors are gonna mingle. Everything gets some good teriyaki sauce on it, get some flavor throughout without dumping it all over the counter like I did the vegetables earlier. Okay, it's all mixed up. We got our oven preheated to 350. Now we'll just stick it in and let it cook until all the veggies are bright and tender. Don't overcook them. Time to take it out and see. There we go. We got them nice and bright. Nice bright veggies. And they're just tender. So they won't be mushy, they'll be just right. We'll dish some up and show it to you. This is, again, packed with nutrients, muscle supporting protein, without the disease from animal foods. So for healthy fats, we want seeds and nuts. They are the best sources of fat. So we got some sesame seeds here to top it. You got some optional hot honey if you like it a little bit more spicy. Get some of that on there. So there you have it. A lazy, healthy stir fry. Enjoy. And if you want more help to simplify your weight loss and fitness, be sure to check out the FitChurch family. The link is in the description below. God bless.